Man, you are cute.
Xbox One, now $349. If you waited all year for one thing, shouldn't it be this? Or this? Or even this? That's good because